The current rules provide that you can only do Zoom or online voting if there is force majeure or a calamity tulad ng COVID. That's not the case now. So the rules were being short-circuited, kaya nga nag-shortcut sila. Hindi pa pwede. We did not agree. Plus, yun na nga, nabanggit na. In fact, I wanted to debate it. Hindi yung divide the house kagad. Kasi sabi ko, may kinalaman ba to sa pagtakas at pagtago ni Senator Bato?
Paano po ba ang ending, Senator? Did you get your chance to present all of those opinions, all of those questions?
No, because they already moved to divide the house. In other words, botohan na. Hindi naman tama yun.
Pagkatapos po ng lahat ng mga sinabi ni Senador Erwin Tulfo, Senator Risa, ganun pa rin po ang ginawa ng majority.
Yes, because, may mga gusto pang magsalita. May mga gusto pang magtanong. Wala na. Divide the house na. And of course, bottom line is a motion to amend the rules. Again, they were citing the rules on amendments, amending the rules. Kinakailangan presented one day before. Ito, they presented it that day lang. Sabi, hindi, na-present na last week. Yeah, what was presented last week was referred to the Committee on Rules. So this is a new motion.